Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. We're going to be doing a review of a pretty unique product today. It's a ice cream maker that's completely not driven by electricity. You just put ice, rock salt, cream, and sugar, or vegan cream if you're like me and you're not into dairy. But anyway, that is what this thing does. It makes ice cream out of simple ingredients, and you shake it, and then magically ice cream appears. Pretty cool product. Before I go any further, Amazon link in the description below for this specific ice cream maker, as well as a full line of products from, apparently the name of the company is Industrial Revolution. And I'm just going to see what else they got here. They have an ice cream ball. This is an ice cream ball too, but it looks a little bit different than this. They have some candles. They have a couple of way different stuff. Tinder sticks, they have like camping stuff, a few camping gear, but mainly their main product is this thing right here. And I think it's pretty cool. I'm going to look at the packaging, show you guys what it's all about. Now America's favorite treat is fun as it is to eat. Oh crap, I just read that wrong. Now America's favorite treat is as fun to make as it is to eat. They wrote it in cursive, that was nice of them. Chmelaeon ice cream maker. Have a ball making ice cream. Hilarious. And then here's how you do it. Remove the lid from the ice end of the ice cream maker. Fill with as much ice as possible. Then add 8 tablespoons of rock salt. Close the lid securely. Mix up your ice cream ingredients in a container. Remove the lid from the end with a metal cylinder and pour in your mix. Close the lid securely. Have a ball. Shake, roll, and pass it around. Oh, that's cool. You can use it as a ball. That's pretty funny. Freezing ingredients. You don't need electricity. You just have a ball. It's great for fun. Kids sing songs, tell jokes, come up with some fun games while shaking and passing the ball. I think that's pretty neat that they did it that way. After about 10 minutes, open the ice cream end and scrape the sides of the cylinder to mix up the ice cream mix. You'll see some of the mix freezing on the sides by now. Then check the ice end. If you notice the ice appears to be melting, pour out the excess water and add more ice. You may also need to add more rock salt to enhance the freezing ability. Close the lid securely and continue shaking for approximately 5 to 10 more minutes. You now have a pint of delicious soft serve ice cream. The consistency will vary on your ice, your mix, the outside temperature, shaking frequency, etc. Experiment to come up with the results you like. Once the ice cream is the consistency of your liking, gently scoop it out and enjoy. Same on that side. Let's see what it says on the bottom. With a unique play and freeze ice cream maker, you can make ice cream anywhere. You don't need electricity, you just have a ball. Ideal for camping, boating, picnics, parties, travels, anywhere. Made of durable polycarbonate, it's lightweight, portable, and easy to clean. Oh boy, I didn't even read off the Amazon stuff, did I? Well, it basically says the same thing. Anyway, here's all you need to make vanilla ice cream, ice and rock salt. Fill it with as much ice as possible, then add rock salt. Half and half sugar, vanilla. Pour mix in the aluminum cylinder. A group of friends to help shake the ball. Don't settle for just 31 flavors. Try flavors from our recipe list included, or make up your own unlimited flavors. Hilarious. Care instructions. Dispose of the ice, water, salt mix, rinse cylinder of any remaining ice cream mix, and hand wash with a mild soap or detergent. Towel air dry. Leave the lids off the play and freeze ice cream maker while in storage. Store in a cool, dry place out of the sun. Do not kick or throw. This could result in damage of the ice cream maker. And is not covered under warranty. That's pretty funny. There is a warranty, though. 1 year from the date of purchase to the original purchaser against manufacturer defects in materials and workmanship. So that they do warrant their stuff. Just don't go kicking it around and breaking it in half. And they should give you a good thing. Anyway, that's basically it. Chmelaeon.com is out. Pick one up today. Amazon link in the description below. And be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com. We actually have our own ice cream makers there as well. They're powered with electricity. They're not like this cool thing. But other than that, Chmelaeon.com is out. Peace.